Hi everybody, this is Dr. Sima from Germantown Chiropractic, and today we want to talk about the different kinds of headaches and migraines. So the first one is a cervicogenic headache. A cervicogenic headache stems from the bottom of the scalp right here, and it comes up like a band-like. That's because this is a suboccipital, this is the subocciput, this is under the occiput, and this muscle is usually tight. It causes a trigger point that causes a band-like radiation into the head. All right. The second type is called a temporal migraine. That's usually here and around the eye, and it's like a throbbing feeling in the artery, temporal artery right here. It happens mainly in females. It happens in male too. Now, the third type is sinus headaches. So sinus headaches are people that usually with the change in the season, and people get that a lot, and that's usually right here. They have a sharp pain around their sinuses. And they have a lot of like watery eyes, sniffly things, sniffles, things like that. Then you have migraine with aura and migraine without aura. So migraine with aura, what is an aura? An aura is like when you have watery eyes, when you have sniffles. And some people react to sharp like bright light. They can't handle it. That kind of a thing is called aura. So usually the aura comes before the headache. That can be on both sides. The pain can be on both sides of the head. If you have migraine without aura, you don't have any of those symptoms, and you have it on one side of the head, okay? Now, it's important to understand what kind of headache it is that we're talking about. So you're informed on what it is that you actually have. And it's important to me to explain to you, so as a patient, you understand and you have more information on what you're actually dealing with, okay? Now, how does chiropractic help with headaches? So when you have a misalignment in your spine, in your neck, like this, okay? The nerve here is being crushed. And usually with people that have consistent headaches and they've had it for a long period of time, this misalignment has been there for a very long period of time. So what we do is that we put that misalignment back into alignment and allow the nerve to pass through the spine easily and optimally. And when that happens, over time, the headaches reduce and reduce and reduce, and the patient starts to feel better. This is allowing the body to heal itself slowly and gradually without the interference of any medication. This is taking the interference of any spinal interference and allowing the nerve to regulate itself and work properly, slowly and gradually over time. And that's how we deal with headaches. All right, thank you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video.